Hey everyone, Charlie Costco here with Crypto Wall Street. Today we're going to talk about a question that I've received from a number of people of you. It's a very common question issue that people have. They all ask, how do I find, figure out, or identify the crypto coins, the cryptocurrencies that will have, or that does have large potential, and potential will give me a large return on my investments. That's the question we're all asking, and but there are a number of people asking, how do I actually do this? Just very basics, figuring out, finding the right coins here that has potential. So if you are already a seasoned and more experienced cryptocurrency trader, this may not be for you, this video here, because this is going to be pretty basic. But for all of the rest of you, this is going to be pretty good information. So we are right now at 1,500 different cryptocurrencies. It's amazing how many new coins that has been coming into the market recently. We're now at 1,500. It's just unbelievable. And here's something even more amazing. Let's look at the token market here. Let's look at the ICO calendar now. So right here you see all the tokens that has their ICO going on right now, that has their funding going right now. I counted them all. There's about 75 of them. 75 ICOs going on right now. All being added into this number here within a few weeks or maximum a month. The other thing is all the upcoming here. Taking a look at them. So in here we see all the upcoming ICOs that's going to start today, tomorrow, and early February. It keeps going on, going on. I've been counting them in here as well. There's a little over 100. So that means within the next couple of months, we will see an increase of 100 to 200 new cryptocurrencies being added here on coinmarketcap.com. Lots of good and new interesting companies coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. There's a lot of great opportunities in that. You can also go here and check it out. There's a lot of good information of all the upcoming ICOs and the ongoing ICOs, so I encourage you to do that. So taking a look here at coinmarketcap.com, that is your starting point, figuring out which coin to invest in. And there's really a few things here you should be aware of. The first thing is, of course, the coin you're looking at and the value of that coin, the market cap, and that's really it. So the market cap is a product of price and circulating supply. I'm sure most of you know that. So you take the price, multiply it by the circulating supply, and you get the market cap. And the market cap is showing us the current value, of Bitcoin if we were to sell all the coins today at this given price right here. So it doesn't mean this number here, $175 billion, does not mean that $175 billion has been invested into Bitcoin. That's not what it means, because it simply reflects price right now multiplied the circulating supply. Remember, there's a lot of people who bought Bitcoin at a much lower price as well, much lower price, but then the price just increased and the supply increased as well, making the market capitalization larger as well. So I repeat, this is not the value that has been invested, but that's the value of Bitcoin if all the coins were to be sold today. So keep that in mind. Just for the heck of it, let's do a little calculation here. So let's say we're looking at Bitcoin here. They have a price of $10,406.80, and we multiply that by a circulating supply right down here of 16,835,825. Boom, here we go. We get a market cap of $175 billion, $207,063,610. So that's how you do that. So really what you're looking at here is the name, the company, what are they doing, what's the value of that compared to the market cap here. That's the only two things that you compare, the name here, the coin, and the market cap. And the market cap is, as I just said, a reflection of the price and the circulating supply. So what you're looking for basically is finding coins where the value of that name right here is less than the estimated value that's right here, or the market cap. So if you go down here to some of the smaller cap coins, let's see here, some in the 50s, 40s. Let's see this one just as an example, the Potcoin here. Let's say you're taking a look at Potcoin, the company behind, and the value, and then you evaluate it to be pretty potential, has potential for good growth in the future, and then you say, well, this is definitely worth more than what the current market cap is right now, meaning that, okay, it would be a good investment if that's what you think. Not that this is just a random example. Remember that. I'm not particularly saying that Potcoin is a coin you should buy. But if you believe this has more value than the market, that the market capitalization here, it'll be a good investment for you. And thereby, you should invest in that. And here's the price for that. So that's really what you do. Going a little bit down further here, that's where all the interesting coins come, in my opinion. That has not really known yet, and it's just starting to grow. You can go down here, Visio, for example. I do not know anything about Visio. I could potentially go in here and look at their website, see what they're doing, what's the mission, what's the team behind, and say, well, this is very solid project. I'm sure they'll be worth more than $1,200,000 in market cap in the future once they start being more known. That would be a good investment for you for sure. So it's simply just finding a coin that you believe is worth more than the price right here. Yes, it's true. How do I figure out what this coin is worth here? Well, that's the art of everything, investing in everything you do, whether it's stock, bonds, ETFs, or whatever, or cryptocurrencies. It's the art of being competent, having the analytical skills to figuring out what's the value of this company and what they're doing. And that's where you start using all your different skills, put things together and connecting the dots, as some people say, and figure out, okay, what's the value of this compared to the current market cap? So that's where you kind of separate the sheep from the herd, or something like that. So that's really what I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to do so. I'll be happy to hear that. Or if you have any other concerns, questions you want me to clarify, just throw a comment below this video. Also, if you aren't already on my email list, make sure to do so. There's a link below this video here. It's coming out within not too long. It has ICOs, recommendations, reviews, coin reviews as well, market situation, a lot of valuable stuff for you. So make sure you sign up for that. With that being said, I wish you all a happy trading day.